Hello, I got this 2008 Chevy Colorado. It's been cold and the tailgate broke on me. And as you can see, I got a tonneau cover. So I have to try to open the tonneau cover without destroying it. Lift that up and I can see the cable right there. I got this welding rod that I bent in the shape of a hook. Okay, I got the cable. Now I'll pull on it. And I dropped my phone. But it's open. That's how you open the tonneau cover when your tailgate door is broke. You can see this one has the cable release. Hopefully that helps you if it happens to you. Thank you.